Okay. Hello. Hello. Can you guys hear me good? Oh. Alright, guys, if you're just tuning in, we have one. Alrighty, coming back down here. Alrighty. Welcome everyone that is just Alrighty. Let me get everything set up and started here. Let me Oh gosh. Hold on guys, I'm trying to get everything set up here correctly. Gosh. This is taking a minute to get set up. Um, oh my gosh. Sorry for such bad quality, guys. I don't know why it's doing that, but it looks like right now we've got a cell popping up over near Red Oak, Iowa. Um, alrighty. Let's see. Head up here. There's a tornado warning out over north of Atkin, Minnesota. Looks like Wolford is right in the storm right now. A little bit of rotation. Palisade, Wakinaboo, Bow. Sorry if I pronounced that wrong. In Little Pine, you guys are next, so take shelter now. Um, anyways, it looks like we have 2-inch hail, or yeah, 2-inch hail report up over here. But let's head down here, see all of this chaos. Alrighty. Yeah, we've got some cells popping up over here. The cell looks to be possibly the dominant one. Consider it severe thunderstorm warnings. Or yeah, just north of Essex, we have this cell popping out. Popping up, I guess. Not out. Looks like there's a cell starting to form north of Atlantic as well. These cells here do look like they could be dominant here, but I guess time will tell. Checking all the tilts, see if there's any rotation whatsoever down here, and there does not seem to be. Yeah, only tornado warning is this one up here. It does not seem to be too significant though, but still take shelter if you're in any of these towns in this warning polygon. Take shelter. Oh, I didn't even realize this. All of the storms that were down in look to be popping up over here. See, we just got a new port. Oh, here, down over in Kansas. Yeah, new severe thunderstorm warning out here. You do have a flash flood warning that is observed. And then radar indicated up here. Alright, looks like we have a new severe thunderstorm warning somewhere. Looks like it is up over here. Where's the nearest radar? It's kind of in a radar dead zone. It seems Des Moines is the best. Um, here we go. I'm gonna take a step outside here for a minute. Alright, let's see when these storms approximately when they will arrive and where. Alright. See, it's heading northeast at 56 miles an hour, so it's pretty quick moving. So let's see. Northeast. At about 56 miles an hour. Let's calculate this. It's going to be in the winter set. It's going to be in the West Des Moines area in about 97 minutes. And Des Moines in about 106 minutes, so we've got some time. Let's see. Some towns around this area, since this is highly populated. Is there seriously a town with 0 people? How is this a town? Okay, sorry. Anyone does live there. Sorry. I shouldn't have said that. Yeah, this cell seems to be getting pretty dominant here. Oh, what just happened? It just disappeared. Um, what? Did you guys just see that? The storm just disappeared from Des Moines there. Oh, it looks like we've got another storm initiating over here near Falls City. Let's go check over on our tornado warning. Still radar indicated. Alright, yeah, it looks like there is some rotation there. Not much, though. Yeah, just a little tiny bit there. But also seeming to be moving pretty slow. Yeah, 24 miles an hour. Right. Let's see. I have mesoscale discussions turned on. I think I do. Yeah, I do. I will be back, guys. Oh, by the way, it looks like there is a inflow line, whatever. Get Mama Blake the leg out. Yeah, no, Roman's coming too. But he asked if he could come here so that we can it's on by the Alrighty, guys, I'm back. Sorry for taking so long. It's like we have a new tornado warning up to the south of Eclair. Sorry if I pronounced that wrong. But I gotta keep an eye on these storms as these are the ones I'm gonna chase here. See, 45 miles an hour. So if we calculate this, all right. Yeah, we've got another pop-up cell here. Still that one down in Red Oak, which I'm still gonna keep an eye on, along with this one here. This one's, I don't know, this one might be weakening. It's also entering not the best readers. Alright, anyways, let's go check up on this tornado warning. Alrighty, so Augusta, I would take shelter if I were you. Same with Fall Creek. This is a observed tornado warning, meaning that there is a tornado on the ground, or at least a tornado forming. Looks like the tornado is going to be in this area. So if you're in town of Lincoln, Fall Creek, even town of Washington, Augusta, take shelter. And then Ludington, you're next. Same with you, Wilson. Allen, take shelter. Nick's Corner, Foster, Brackett, Cleghorn, Hale Corner, Roddill, Fall Creek. I think I already said that. Augusta Wildlife Area. Anyone, just anyone in this warning box, take shelter, please. So this is a observed tornado on the ground. So if you're gonna heed a warning, heed this one. Augusta. Oh wait, wrong too. Augusta, looks like you're about 18 miles. Fall Creek, you're about 13 miles from the tornado here. But again, this is a observed tornado on the ground. It wasn't on the thing to see your chats. I just pulled up the live stream chat. Yeah, welcome everyone. What's the beat meme? So that one that you just heard there, that means that there is a new severe thunderstorm warning, which this one seems to be for the St. Joseph area north of Kansas City. But once I hear one, it's like a more intense alarm, and then that will signify a tornado warning, which that one might have really been here. Yeah, that one, those two you just heard there, that's for severe thunderstorm warning. Yeah, there we go. That's the new severe thunderstorm. Up and oh, okay. Okay. Let's go check up on this Aitken. Alright. Palisade, Walking Naboo, take shelter. This is not a confirmed tornado, but there is a rotation here seen on radar. My drawing skills are not the best. I apologize. Yeah, it looks like there is a confirmed or a radar confirmed rotation there. It does not seem that there might be something on the ground, but we don't have a visual for this area. We don't have any storm chasers there to view, so let's check back on these storms here. Looks like this storms are starting to slow down a little bit. See. This is going to be into the Des Moines metro area in about 88 minutes. Ankeny in about 94 minutes. Greenfield here in about 36 minutes. And I feel bad for Greenfield. But I will be right back again. Sorry guys. Right, I am back. Sorry for the wait, guys. Yeah, it looks like we've got more storms starting to pop up down in this area here near Tabor, Red Oak, Audubon. Um, 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 how's it looking so far? Right now, main thing I'm looking at is first of all, there's these tornado warnings up here. Speaking of which, let me check on this. Yeah, it looks like there is a possible tornado there. Still observed, so most likely there is a tornado there. But also I'm looking at there's some cells starting to pop up over here to the or in western Iowa here, like here, here, this storm and this storm here, along with what seems to be an inflow draft or maybe just a massive flock of birds. But then going down here, we've got this storm here, which seems to be forming. It looks to be forming opposite of most storms. See, it's forming um like this. Most for storms form like this, so I don't know about that one. Might be anticyclonic. Yeah. And then down here there's just chaos of fear warnings. Oh, it's like we have a new severe thunderstorm warning out over north of Topeka in the Holton, Kansas area. Um, wait, I need to find the radar here. There we go. But yeah. It seems these are maturing quick-ish. By the way, if you hear a dog, my dog is about to get the zoomies right behind me, so. Sorry about my dog, y'all. He's got the zoomies right behind me. He might be done now. He's just staring at us right now. There's he goes. Alright, guys. Yeah, it looks like I am gonna go storm chasing here. So that's pretty fun. Um, um, boom, boom. I just tried choking on my Capri Sun by accident. Alrighty, well, I am gonna go for now here in maybe 30 minutes or so. I'll probably be back up live storm chasing. But thank you to everyone that tuned in. And yeah, hope to see you later in the later live stream if I do go live. If not, see you in the next video. Alright, peace out, y'all.